Here at Leonberger, it's quite a windy day. Here we have Serbia. Hello, Serbia. We got autumn attacking her. Oh. Serbia! Come on, get each other, come on. Oh, see, look at them go. It's so windy up here. Hello, you. I can barely stand up here, it's very windy. Jeez. Here we have Georgia. Hello, Belize. Hello. Hello, Tibet. What are you doing? Hey? The softest dog in our house. Oh, yep, this shows it. Hello. Hello. Hello, Serbia. Hello. Oh, he's just getting... Oh, they're swapping sides now. It's now Belize on top. This is what flirting looks like at Leonberger. They swap turns every single time. What are you two doing? Oh, no, it's their turn. There we go. Yeah. Hello.